Hey, what's up, everyone? If you've ever wondered how to rack up Google Arcade points without breaking a sweat, you're in the right place. I'm here from Innovation Explorers. And today, I'm breaking down the easiest way to join the Google Arcade Facilitator program and start stacking those points like a pro. First things first, head over to the Google Arcade site. If you haven't signed up yet, just hit that join button and follow the quick prompts. It takes less than a minute and you'll be inside the arcade hub, ready to play. Now here's a quick tip. Subscribe to the arcade newsletter. They send out bonus challenges. They send secret codes that can boost your points big time. Trust me, you don't want to miss those. Next up, check out the daily missions. Check out the weekly missions. Think quizzes, mini-games, or sharing your progress. Each one gives you instant points, and the more you complete, the faster you level up. And don't forget, invite your friends. When they join using your referral link, you both get a sweet points bonus. It's a win-win. If you want more easy tutorials, quick tips, and fun methods to maximize your Google Arcade experience, hit that subscribe button here at Innovation Explorers. Let's level up together and unlock those rewards. Thanks for watching. Now go grab those points.